Hello everybody, I'm back. We covered deactivating programs so they don't show up in the list. How do you switch the program that you're actually running? So you have 3 or 4 programs in your list that are valid programs. There are 4 parts, you have fixtures for them, and you've done part A, now you want to switch to part B. How do you tell the robot you're running part B? Well, with the software open as I have it, your robot selected, I want to select to run the move to home program. So I simply click on it and I get the bottom menu up. It says edit parameters, edit weld, copy weld. Underneath it says confirm operation. That means that you want to load it as the operating program that will run when you hit the start button on the panel. Confirm operation. And now you notice that it used to say part 6 loaded. Now it says part move to home loaded. In other words, whatever program has the word loaded after it is the program that the robot will run when you hit the play button. So if I hit the play button now, it's going to run the move to home program. All right? Thank you very much. Have a great day.